You took an oath, you made a vow to protect and serve, not to bring us down. Why did you fire on unarmed youth? Why did you silence the voices of truth? Some may argue you act on orders, but what do you have brains for? In the US, officers took a stand, refused to oppress their homeland. Are you a police service or a colonial force, serving the people or a brutal cause? Till when will you be used and dumped by politicians like toilet paper? Your love. Are you a police service or a colonial force, serving the people or a brutal cause? You killed ex-Messiah, a dreamer's light, to the one who pulled the trigger that night. How would you feel if it were your child, lost to the streets in a moment wild? Some may argue you act on orders, but what do you have brains for? In the US, officers took a stand, refused to oppress their homeland. Are you a police service or a colonial force, serving the people or a brutal cause? Till when will you be used and dumped by politicians like toilet paper? Your love. Are you a police service or a colonial force, serving the people or a brutal cause? Think of the future, think of your kin. Join us in fighting the corruption within. We need defenders, not oppressors. We need protectors, not aggressors. Are you a police service or a colonial force, serving the people or a brutal cause? Till when will you be used and dumped by politicians like toilet paper? Your love. Are you a police service or a colonial force, serving the people or a brutal cause? The power to change is in your hands. Be on the right side of this land. Protect the people, uphold your oath. Stand for justice, stand for hope.